Are you tired of blowing Forex accounts and you know there's got to be a better way? Well, this video is for you. Hey, this is Brian Hill with INYlegacy.com. And if you're on this video, you know there's got to be a better way to become consistently profitable over the long period of time. And what we've been leveraging, we're going to introduce you to today. It's called Alexander. So
it's the year 2020. Half of the working population worldwide now participate in some form of freelance work. This means people have to become more self-sufficient and creative in making money. One industry that is starting to boom is day trading. Day trading used to be a lot more intimidating than it is now. It used to require months or even years of learning how to read the financial markets, having to stare at complicated charts all night and learning to use different indicators. By the time you really wanted to learn what it takes, the task was so daunting that most people rarely even made it to becoming a profitable trader. Well, thanks to the innovative technology created by Avoria Prime, this process has now become so much easier. Introducing Alexander. Thousands of people have already learned how to use Alexander to quickly get set up and enter trades on the go, even right from their smartphone. Alexander is an entire trading system. You stay in full control of every part of your trading experience, from choosing your own broker to choosing which currency pairs you want to trade, what amount of capital you want to trade with, and how much risk you're willing to allot for each trade. Once you've input your own settings, Alexander will send you manual trade alerts right to your mobile phone or laptop based on your own requests. Then you simply review the trade opportunity and decide whether or not you still want to take that trade. Alexander simply organizes your experience and gets you to where you want to go faster. We also provide access to very experienced trading coaches and a licensed financial advisor to help you learn step by step how you can use this tool successfully. We host online classes every week and make it work with any schedule. At Avoria Prime, we're empowering people with new skills and new income opportunities that may benefit them for years to come. What are you waiting for? Learn more about how this might be a great income option to add to your current lifestyle. There are smarter ways to make money, and this is definitely one of them. Try Alexander today with our 7-day money-back guarantee. Avoria Prime, your legacy.